Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start exercise 4.4, question number 1. There is two parts in this question. The basic of this question is we have to construct the quadrilateral in which three sides and two included angles are given. Three sides and two included angles are given. See the first question in your book. Construct the following quadrilaterals. First part, quadrilateral DEAR, in which DE equal to 4 cm, EA equal to 5 cm, AR equal to 4.5 cm, angle E equal to 60 degree, angle A equal to 90 degree. Similarly, second part, quadrilateral TRUE, TR equal to 3.5 cm, RU 3 cm, UE 4 cm, angle R 75 degree, angle U equal to 120 degree. See the solution of these two parts. First of all, we have to draw the rough figure. DEAR, DE 4 cm, EA 5 cm, AR 4.5 cm are included angles E equal to 60 degree and A equal to 90 degree. Similarly, now we will construct it. First of all, we have to draw line segment EA, that is of 5 cm. At point E, we will draw a ray making an angle of 60 degree by using compass. Now we will cut a line segment of 4 cm from this ray. This point is D and the line segment is D of 4 cm. Now we will draw an angle of 90 degree at point A and we will draw a ray of 4 point array and we will cut a line segment of 4.5 cm from this ray. Now join D to R. It is your required quadrilateral DEAR. Now question number 2. The rough figure of question number 2 is given. TRUE, TR equal to 3.5 cm, RU 3 cm, UE 4 cm, angle R equal to 75 degree and angle U equal to 120 degree. So you can construct it as question number 1 first part. बिल्कुल सेम उसी तरीके से है. You can do it. Now we have to see exercise 4.5, question number 1. See the question in your book. Question number 1. Draw the following. 1. A square READ with R equal to 5.1 cm. So how we will draw it? See the solution of this question. Since READ is a square, तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया है, एक रफ फिगर इसका ड्रा किया गया. READ स्क्वायर इन विच RE इक्वल टू 5.1 cm इज गिवन. तो सिंस वी नो दैट the sides, all the sides of the square are equal and all angles of the square are of 90 degree. So therefore RE equal to EA equal to AD equal to DR equal to 5.1 cm and angle R equal to angle E equal to angle A equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. यानी each angle 90 degree हो गया. Now we will construct it. First of all we have to draw a line segment EA of 5.1 cm. We will draw a ray EX making an angle of 90 degree by using compass at point E. At point A, we will draw a ray AY making an angle of 90 degree and we will cut from here a line segment of 5.1 cm. We will draw an arc of radius 5.1 cm which cut the given ray EX at point R. Now we will join point R and D. Now it is your square required square READ. It is your answer. Now we will do question number 2. See the question number 2. A rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. See the question number 2. You can construct it as exercise 4.2 question number 1 in third part. यानी क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज 4.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में बिल्कुल सेम ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन हमने किया है पिछली एक्सरसाइज में, तो वहाँ बिल्कुल वैसे ही यू कैन डू दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी हैव टू सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3? A rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. A rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. To see the solution of this question, rough figure ABCD is a rectangle in which adjacent sides का मतलब suppose that BC is 5 centimeter and CD is 4 centimeter. Since ABCD is a rectangle, therefore its opposite sides will be equal. Hence AB equal to DC equal to 4 centimeter. Similarly AD equal to BC equal to 5 centimeter. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. Each angle of 90 degree. तो इस तरीके से ये आपका बाई रफ फिगर हमने इसको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. नाउ वी हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ड्रॉ BC, line segment BC of 5 centimeter. At point B, we will draw angle of 90 degree by using compass, and we will draw a ray BX. And here at point C, making an angle of 90 degree, we will draw a ray CY. Now we will draw an arc of length 4 centimeter which cut the given ray BX at point A, and similarly here we will draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter which cut the given ray CY at point D. Now we will join A to D. It is your required rectangle ABCD. Now we have to see the question number 4. See the question number 4. A parallelogram OKAY where OK equal to 5.5 centimeter and KA equal to 4.2 centimeter. Is it unique? क्या ऐसा केवल एक ही फिगर है? To see the solution of this question, rough figure OKAY is a parallelogram in which OK equal to 5.5 centimeter and KA 4.2 centimeter. Since OKAY is a parallelogram, therefore its opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Hence YA equal to OK equal to 5.5 centimeter and OY equal to KA equal to 4.2 centimeter. Now by taking the different values of angle K, एंगल K की वैल्यू हम कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, डिफरेंट वैल्यूज. वैल्यू 180 डिग्री, क्योंकि एडजेसेंट एंगल्स, इन दोनों एडजेसेंट एंगल्स का सम क्या होता है? 180 डिग्री होता है. इसका मतलब है कि K की वैल्यू लेस देन 180 डिग्री आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. तो इस तरीके से जो है टेकिंग डिफरेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ एंगल K वी कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट डिफरेंट पैराग्राम्स OKAY. हेंस इट इज़ नॉट यूनिक. तो अगर K की वैल्यू डिफरेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ K के लिए अगर हम डिफरेंट पैराग्राम्स अगर हम ड्रॉ करते हैं तो इसका मतलब है कि ये पैराग्राम OKAY ये जो है यूनिक नहीं है. तो हेंस इट इज़ नॉट यूनिक. इट इज़ योर आंसर. नाउ यू कैन कंप्लीट this exercise 4.5 in your fair register. Thank you and have a nice day.